Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fight Night Champion online on Xbox One. Many players encounter a common hurdle when trying to access online modes, a message about accepting terms and conditions. This can be frustrating, as it often prevents you from connecting to the game's online servers. However, there is a straightforward workaround to resolve this, allowing you to jump into the ring and compete against other boxers. To bypass the terms and conditions issue, you'll need to use a simple trick. First, download an older EA Sports game like SSX onto your Xbox One. Once downloaded, launch SSX and accept its terms and conditions. After successfully doing this, you can close SSX. Then, restart Fight Night Champion, and you should now be able to access the online features without any further problems, ready for your next bout. Once online, Fight Night Champion offers exciting modes. You can enter the online World Championship, battling other players with your custom boxer to climb the global ranks. For a more social experience, consider joining or creating an online gym. These gyms allow you to team up with friends, customize your gameplay, and compete in structured seasons and tournaments, adding a unique layer of strategy and camaraderie to your boxing journey. When playing online, you'll find that the Xbox One community for Fight Night Champion is quite active, often with over 2,000 players online. Be prepared for a competitive environment, as many dedicated players still enjoy this classic title. To enhance your experience, practice your defensive maneuvers and offensive combinations in offline modes. Mastering your boxer's moves will give you a significant edge in securing victories against online opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.